Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the clock size on your iPhone lock screen. This is great if you want a bigger, bolder clock, or if you just want to personalize your lock screen layout. First, unlock your iPhone, but don't swipe up to go to the home screen. Just stop at the lock screen. Once you're on the lock screen, tap and hold your finger anywhere on it. This will open the lock screen customization menu. You'll now see all of your lock screens. Select the one you want to edit and tap Customize underneath it. Now you'll be in editing mode. Look at your clock and you'll notice a subtle frame around it. Tap and hold the corner of that frame, then drag it downward to increase the clock size. Move it until it looks exactly the way you want. Release your finger to lock it in place. Once you're happy with how your clock looks, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. Then just tap your updated lock screen to set it as the active one. And that's it. Your lock screen now has a custom-sized clock styled just the way you like it. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone customization tips, and drop a comment telling me what lock screen theme you're going with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.